Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laurent Boukobza. So today is part 2 of a video series I've created to help students and teachers to navigate through the coronavirus and distance learning. So one of the elements we talked about was scales. One of the elements too is the dynamics. It's very important, dynamics. And the problem with this microphones is that often when you speak loud, they close down, and when you speak soft, they open up. So loud sounds soft, soft sounds loud, everything kind of sounds the same. That's why I say you need to give responsibility to the students and tell them, when I'm asking you to play loud, make sure you really play loud. And when you play soft, make sure you really play soft. So here are some examples of when I'm really insisting for a student to make sure they do their dynamics. And you will hear from the examples themselves. It's not that obvious. So much better, Gabby, good job. One of the things I need now, and we all need, is dynamics. Because from here, and I know it's a video camera, it sounds all the same. I want you to play with the fun of playing very loud sometimes and very soft. So, I'm going to be very loud in here, and then a little less softer, and very soft. And now very loud. Could you hear the dynamics?
Yeah.
Good. I would like to hear that.
Difference.
Yeah, it makes a big difference, huh?
Yeah.
So make sure you have the dynamics. I'm gonna give you full responsibility for making this dynamic happen and creating whichever dynamics you want. It's going to be really your responsibility because I can't really hear it as much as I would like to because I'm not next to you and there's a distortion of the sound. The microphone tends to open up or close. When you play loud, it closes. When you play soft, it opens up. So to me, it kind of all sound the same. Okay? What we need now on that piece is dynamics.
Dynamics?
Oh yeah, we need a lot more dynamics than what you're doing. What you're doing to me sounds very flat.
Yes.
And we need to shape that to create
Okay.
da 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 da. You see how my voice kind of disappears? There is that momentum. Pa da 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 da. Can I have that?
Okay. I hope you enjoy the videos. As always, in the description box underneath you find all the links to like me and follow me on Twitter,
LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook account, and so on and so forth. Please, of course, leave a comment, or you can contact me on my email that you have in here, or you can go to my website. So looking forward to hearing back from you in all your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.